Accidents happen, so you need a better way to clean. Introducing OmiSonic, the wireless ultrasonic washer. OmiSonic is a washing machine for virtually anything, including fruits, vegetables, delicate fabrics, jewelry, silverware, and more. It even comes with portable paper soap. The app comes with unique settings for specific items, and you can even make your own. Inside OmiSonic is a powerful yet compact ultrasonic motor. Simply soak the item in water, insert OmiSonic, then push start on the app. Once activated, it generates microscopic air bubbles in the water that collapse and create powerful jet streams that remove dirt and bacteria. For small items, OmiSonic saves money by using less water and energy than standard washing machines. Before OmiSonic, cleaning jewelry could be tricky.
Honey, where's your wedding ring?
But now, you can wash those hard-to-reach spots without worrying about damage. And OmiSonic is wireless. Throw it in a bag, in a suitcase, or your pocket, and you're good to go. OmiSonic is made for travelers, especially ones who want to keep clean.
Dad, what?
Just find a body of water, put it in, and you've got a portable washer anywhere you go.
Whether at home or on the go, Omnisonic provides you with an effective, easy way to clean the things that you need, all in the palm of your hand. So if you really want to clean up your act, back this project to receive the world's first smart ultrasonic washer.
Here's the problem with air purifiers. You don't know if they actually work. You breathe, the purifier cleans, you breathe again, and everything feels the same. The purifier is like your friend John, who you've asked to donate $5 to your favorite charity. He says he did, but did he? You can get an air analyzer, but just like you and your lying friend John, they don't talk to each other. Meet Aura Air, the world's first total air solution. It does 4 things. 1. It analyzes your air by circulating it, so it can tell you what's going on right now, but also predict future problems. 2. It purifies it and disinfects it through 5 different filters to an entirely different level of standards. 3. It functions as a certified carbon monoxide and smoke detection unit, and it recognizes the air quality outside your home and gives you real-time air quality recommendations. Each of these things it does better than most of the other only doing one thing devices. And thanks to advanced technology, it's not the size of a refrigerator, so you don't need to move a couch to find room for it. If you're not living directly under a highway, you're probably thinking your indoor air is at least okay. That's because it seems clear. If it looked like this, you would know there's a problem. But if we could visualize every toxin that's in your air, you'd be able to see that your everyday air is filled with pesticides, gas leaks, pollen, formaldehyde, mold, and home-created toxins. In fact, according to the US EPA, indoor air is 5 times more polluted than the air outside. Maybe you are better off living under a highway. Now let's talk air purification. Aura Air uses a unique 5-stage optimized filter system, starting with a pre-filter that cleanses big molecules and particles of dust, pollen, and mold. The UV LED is for bacteria and viruses. Ray filter is for tiny particles such as microdust and germs. Then the smart fabric filter with copper and carbon absorbs smells and harmful gases. And finally, the stereonizer completes the purifying process by restoring necessary ion levels to closed environments. Your air is now cleaner and better than any other purifier can. And thanks to the analyzer, Aura Air's app will tell you how clean. You can also get tips and insights on how to improve your indoor air quality, and see a graph of your home's air quality over time. Besides analyzing and purifying, Aura Air's sensors provide the built-in functionality of a carbon monoxide and smoke detection unit. The US requires every home to have these detectors, and everywhere else, it's pretty useful to have them as well. Now let's talk about what's going on outside. Aura Air teamed up with Breezometer to give you location-based real-time air quality data. And you know they're good because they provide Google their air quality information. This can help you decide whether it's a good day for a jog or a better day to stay in and finally do that binge watching you've been postponing all week. So if you want indoor air analysis, the best-in-class purification, carbon monoxide and smoke detection, and outside air analysis all in one, get Aura Air. Now let's take care of that dependable friend problem. Here's David. Trust us, he's great.
Okay, Marley, hold on. I'll let you out. Oh, come on now, Marley. You want to come back in? I'm gonna have to teach you how to open that door.
Now you can teach Marley how to open and close the door with Autoslide, fitted to any of the sliding doors in your home. Autoslide's K9 option allows you to easily set the door to open and close for Marley whenever she wants to go out or come in. You can set it to open to the width of your pet, and with this pet toggle, it will only open for Marley and no other animal. Visit Autoslide.com to discover the endless possibilities when your sliding doors open for your pets.